This tutorial will show you how to disassociate a current email address with your Google account, and particularly if your district is getting Google Apps for Education, like we are at Lancaster, Lebanon, IU13. So if you work for Lancaster, Lebanon, IU13, and you have previously created a Google account with your IU13 email address, before we convert over to Google Apps for Education, it is important that you take your previously created Google account and you disassociate your IU13 email address with that account. And then after you do that, you can do whatever you would want to with that account after you've shared items to your new account. So this tutorial is going to show you how to disassociate or change your currently set up IU13 email address to your Google account. So the first thing you want to do is go to Google and sign in. So when you go to google.com and you click on sign in, if you have multiple accounts, you might see multiple options here. But you want to choose the account that's your IU13 email address. Notice mine is not, because I've already converted over. So this would be the account you want to log in with your IU13 email address, if that's the email address that you've used to associate your Google account. After you log in, you will notice that your name will appear that you've already logged in, and this little icon appears over here. So if you click on that icon, it might be your picture as well. Or it might be your name over there too. So it could be a couple different things. What you want to do is go under to where it says account. Click on account. And you'll notice here it does a security checkup. So it's particularly asking you to update your information. And notice right here is where you see your first name underscore last name at iu13.org. So as a result, what you want to do is click on your email address there. And now this window pops up. And we want to edit this email address. So that iu13.org, we want to change. So you're going to click on the word edit. And now it's asking you to change to a new email address. So this is your personal Google account. So you want to associate it with any of your personal accounts. So you would want another email address to be in here. So for example, I can choose one of my other email addresses, maybe a Yahoo email address, maybe of a Comcast, maybe of an AOL, other types of email addresses. If you don't have another type of email address, you might want to go create one quickly. Before you go into this tutorial, you could go to Yahoo to do it, to create a new Yahoo account. It's going to give you a new one like I just did here. You will enter the current password that you have already preset for your account, for your Google account, and click Save Email Address. Now here's going to be the clinch to make sure that you follow through. You notice that it's sending a confirmation message to your email address. So you're going to want to go to that confirmation message. You're going to want to go to that email, and you're going to want to open up that email and confirm that this verification took place, right? So it's going to send you an email, and in that email that it sends to this new account you changed it to, you're going to have to click on the link in that email to confirm this change. So you notice here that I have my Google account email that just came through on my Yahoo account. And you notice that if I scroll down here to verify, I click on this link directly. And it indicates to me that my new address is the one I just changed it to. So now if I come back to this screen and I hit refresh right here and continue, it's going to change. So notice it says that it's looking for my new account credentials. So I can just enter in here. It might be easier just to go over here to your name and click on account and see that it's actually changed. So it should have changed to your new email account. The other thing that you want to do is you want to scroll down a little bit and make sure that the recovery email is also not your IU13 email address. All right, so most likely it won't be. Most likely it's going to follow the same one. But if it is, you want to change that one as well. And after you change that account, then that's all you need to do, because you will now be set up when your IU13.org Google account gets set up for you by tech services at IU13. Your account won't have any confusion with your new account information. And after this, I'll create another tutorial that you'll be able to watch that will show you how to share. If you have anything currently in this Google account that you want to use for your IU13, your official IU13 Google Apps for Education account, I'll show you then how to share any items that you have in here with your new account.